Every BMW begins with carefully selected materials delivered to a world-class manufacturing facility. After rigorous testing and inspection, every BMW is ready to begin its journey to drivers around the world. Every component is carefully prepared to ensure precision, durability, and exceptional quality. Luxury, comfort, and technology come together as the BMW interior is assembled with precision. Advanced automation and skilled craftsmanship come together to build every BMW with remarkable precision. Confirming alignment. Alignment confirmed. Initiating precision fastening. Battery and steering clear for installation. Ready for software calibration. Every BMW undergoes comprehensive inspection to ensure exceptional quality before leaving the factory. Initiating engine and chassis systems calibration. Sensors and radar systems online. Infotainment and driver assistance systems verified. Protected and documented, each BMW is prepared for delivery to customers around the world. Rigorous testing confirms that every BMW performs exactly as engineered. From precision engineering to global delivery, every BMW begins its journey with uncompromising quality.